Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt with V-Twin Visionary, and I know that you know that Motul makes really good motor oil for your Harley-Davidson and or Indian motorcycle. What you may not know is they make really good primary fluid and gear oil as well. And they do a line of polishes and protectants that have been some of our favorites for a little bit now. They do an insect remover that'll get bugs off the front of your bike. It does a tremendous job. You don't have to scrub it or anything. It's really, really good. This stuff is helmet clean. It does your helmet, as you know, or may not know, with helmets, if you use a harsh chemical on your helmet, it actually eats away at the outer shell. This stuff does not do that. And they also have a leather cleaner and protectant. And what this stuff does is it'll clean your jacket, your gloves, your boots, and also if you have a leather seat or saddlebags, this stuff is really good. So look for this stuff online or at your local retailer and tell them V-Twin Visionary sent you.